we like cringe to flying camera. It doesn't. If someone was to go spec for spec with a drone, we'll lose. But for flying camera, we want to start a new discussion for a new category, which is truly something that flies, takes a picture, and you bring it back in your hand. I'm gonna leave it flat in my hand, and now I'm gonna launch it. 1, 2, 3. Toss it in the air. No, I'm like, right now, the less I move my camera, the better off I am.
Right.
Start taking some pictures. Right. And get it a little higher. All I'm doing is moving it with my thumb. That work? Go into video mode.
Okay.
So now I'm actually doing live video. So I got you right there.
Okay.
Right, you can see that.
Yes.
And then I stop that, and then when I want it to come back, all I'll do is bring it this way, bring it down.
Cool.
And then now that it's done, I'll go back to the main menu. I'll go to gallery. All right, so like that's you right there.
Yes.
All right, I did a group shot earlier with some people.
That's great.
Yeah, and considering the lighting is not fantastic. Now I'll tell you, with good lighting,
That's decent, yeah.
that's let's see. I have so many of these I've been using throughout the day. So channel CBS News was here, and what was funny is the guy had all the great lighting.
Yes.
So actually, the photos that I did for him were fantastic.
Right, and is it out now?
Yeah, it started shipping. We left our warehouse on Friday, so like here in the city, B&H has some in stock.
Okay.
Adorama has some in stock.